So what we have really cool here is we have a tanning ledge. Now the nice thing about a tanning ledge is it's flat, so it's great for furniture to sit on, like our ledge lounger furniture here. And we wrapped a step across it so people could hang out there, and then we step down to our shallow into the pool. But we wanted an area that the babies and the grandkids could play too, so we wanted a beach entry which was really shallow water and getting a little deeper as it goes. So here we step in and it's 6 inches deep. Okay. We had to do this wall going across here to help transition from the tanning ledge to the beach entry. So over here, it's just a gradual walk up. So if you want to sit here in like 2 inches of water, it'll work, or 3 inches of water, or 4 inches of water. So it's a nice transition down in, and we get the look from the main view of the house of the travertine transitioning down into the water. Framed up by our fire bowls on the back here, and then we've got our grotto waterfall down on the end. So the cool thing about this backyard is you've got everything. You've got a cabana, you got a swim up bar, you got a nice oversized organic spa, you have nice seating areas, you've got a grotto, you got a slide, you got a tanning ledge, and a beach entry. I mean, there's everything in this backyard. Who's going to leave town this summer? Nobody. So you guys, thanks for coming. I hope this was helpful. Again, we're in Corinth, Texas tonight. If you like everything, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you down the road on another project. You guys have a great evening. Bye now.